Good morning. My name is Jim Lahan, Operations Officer here at the Florida State Watch Office, and this is the Florida State Watch Office Daily Situation Report for Saturday, January 31st, 2009. The State Emergency Operations Center is currently at a Level 2 or partial activation status due to a significant winter storm that brought widespread freezing rain and snow through the entire state of Kentucky on Tuesday and Wednesday. The state of Florida has mobilized assets to provide assistance using the Emergency Management Assistance Compact request from Kentucky and other states. Flash reports on Florida's response to the winter storms will be posted at www.floridadisaster.org/EOC. Currently, the State Watch Office is monitoring the following in Florida. Nuclear power plant reactors at Turkey Point, Port St. Lucie, and Farley are at 100% capacity. The reactor at Crystal River was last reported to be at 60% and building. No major power outages have been reported in the past 24 hours. All airports are open and at normal operation. All seaports are open and functioning normally. All major highways in the state are open, and any lane closures should be open within 12 hours. No public health advisories have been issued in the past 24 hours. There have been no confirmed or suspected major attacks on computer networks. And finally, no known border security or migrant issues have been reported in the past 24 hours. And now, the weather brief.
The cold front has finally passed through the state, with high pressure over the northern Gulf Coast expected to move east over North Florida today and tonight. North winds will continue to bring a cool and dry air mass into the state, and after a cold start to the morning, with freeze warnings and wind chill advisories in effect for much of the Florida peninsula until 9 a.m., temperatures are expected to be around 10 degrees below normal this afternoon. The dry air mass in place across the state will result in low humidity values statewide this afternoon. These low humidity values, along with already dry soils in the state, will increase the wildfire risk today, and red flag warnings are in effect for the entire Florida mainland. High pressure quickly moves east on Sunday, producing an onshore wind flow that will gradually increase humidity values Sunday. But dry air may remain entrenched over portions of North Florida, and fire weather watches are in effect for the eastern Big Bend and Swanee Valley for possible red flag conditions on Sunday afternoon. Another light freeze is possible tonight as high pressure moves over the northern peninsula, and calm winds and clear skies allow temperatures to drop after sunset. Sub-freezing temperatures appear likely for the eastern Florida Big Bend, much of northeast Florida, and northwestern areas of central Florida, and freeze warnings are in effect. Also, widespread areas of frost will be possible for areas that reach into the mid-30s tonight, and a frost advisory is in effect for coastal northeast Florida counties and northern east central Florida areas. Patchy frost will also be possible across interior portions of central and south Florida tonight. As of Friday afternoon, the statewide Keach-Byram Drought Index average is down to 504 on a scale of 0 to 800. KBDI averages in north and central Florida have decreased due to the recent rainfall from the past cold front, and KBDI values are also expected to decrease across South Florida areas. The next chance for widespread rainfall and possibly even heavy rainfall will be Monday and Tuesday as a low-pressure system and cold front move across the state. This could again lower KBDI values early next week. That's all for weather.
With cold temperatures expected tonight and into tomorrow morning, residents are encouraged to use the 5 P's of cold weather safety. Protect people, plants, pipes, pets, and practice fire safety. When outdoors, avoid being outside for extended periods of time. Wear multiple layers of clothing, stay dry, and drink plenty of fluids or eat high caloric foods. Indoors, be aware of the fire danger with candles, fireplaces, and space heaters. Keep flammable materials away from these heat sources and make sure carbon monoxide and smoke detectors are installed and working properly. Do not use cooking appliances as an indoor heat source. Cover or bring indoors all sensitive plants and pets. If planning to leave a pet outside, make sure there is adequate shelter with blankets and plenty of food and water in plastic bowls. Do not place food or water in metal bowls. If a hard freeze warning is issued for your area, protect exposed pipes by covering with blankets and allowing your indoor faucets to drip overnight. For more information, visit www.floridadisaster.org. Well, that's all we have for today. This has been the Florida State Watch Office Daily Situation Report for Saturday, January 31st, 2009. Have a safe day.